If you're tired of juggling mismatched pots and pans, dealing with uneven cooking, or replacing worn-out cookware every year, you're not alone. A lot of home cooks hit that point where the kitchen starts feeling more frustrating than enjoyable, and that's usually when it's time to rethink what you're cooking with. That's where the All-Clad D3 10-piece stainless steel cookware set comes in. This is designed for people who cook regularly and want something more consistent, more durable, and, honestly, more enjoyable to use every day. It's not a budget set, and it's not trying to be. The idea here is simple. Invest once, and you're set for years, maybe decades, without needing to upgrade again. When you first unbox it, the thing that stands out immediately is how solid everything feels. Each piece has a noticeable weight to it, but it's balanced in a way that doesn't feel awkward or tiring to handle. The finish is polished stainless steel, giving it that clean, professional kitchen look without being flashy. It's the kind of cookware that looks just as good sitting on your stove as it does in a cabinet. The handles are riveted and shaped for a secure grip, and while they might feel a little different if you're used to softer or rubberized handles, they're designed for control and stability. After a few uses, they start to feel natural, especially when you're moving a full pan or pouring something hot. The edges are slightly flared, which sounds minor, but it actually helps prevent drips when pouring sauces or liquids, something you'll appreciate more than you expect. The real value, though, comes from how these pans are built. Each piece uses a tri-ply construction, meaning there's an aluminum core sandwich between layers of stainless steel. In everyday terms, that means heat spreads quickly and evenly across the entire surface. So instead of hot spots that burn one side of your food, you get consistent cooking throughout. Whether you're making a simple omelet or simmering a sauce, the heat feels predictable and easy to control. In real-life cooking, that consistency makes a big difference. The fry pans heat up quickly and hold temperature well, which is great for getting a proper sear on things like chicken or vegetables. The saucepans feel responsive when you're adjusting heat, so you're less likely to accidentally boil something over. And the stockpot handles larger meals without struggling, whether you're making soup, pasta, or meal prepping for the week. Now, stainless steel does come with a bit of a learning curve. If you're coming from non-stick cookware, food sticking can be frustrating at first. But once you understand how to preheat properly and use oil at the right time, it becomes much more manageable. And the trade-off is worth it. You get better browning, more flavor, and cookware that doesn't wear out the way non-stick coatings do. Cleaning is also more straightforward than people expect. Yes, you might need to scrub a bit after cooking something sticky, but nothing feels fragile. You're not worried about scratching a coating, and that freedom makes a difference. With regular care, the set holds up really well over time. One of the biggest advantages of this set is versatility. You can use it on gas, electric, or induction cooktops, and it's oven safe at high temperatures. That means you can start a dish on the stove and finish it in the oven without switching pans, which simplifies cooking more than you might think. Of course, it's not perfect. The price is the biggest hurdle. This is a serious investment, and it won't make sense for everyone. The weight might also feel a bit much if you prefer lighter cookware, and again, the learning curve with stainless steel is real. If you want something completely low maintenance, this might not be the best fit. Compared to other cookware sets in a similar price range, this one stands out for its durability and consistency. Cheaper sets often cut corners on heat distribution, which you notice over time. Higher-end options exist, but they don't always offer a meaningful improvement for the extra cost. This set hits a kind of sweet spot where performance and long-term value meet. So who is this for? If you cook often, care about better results, and want cookware that can grow with your skills, this is a strong choice. But if you're just cooking occasionally or prefer quick, low-effort meals, you might be happier sticking with something simpler. At the end of the day, this set isn't about making cooking easier in a shortcut kind of way. It's about making it better, more consistent, and more enjoyable over time. If that sounds like what you're looking for, check out the link in the description to see the latest price and details. And if this helped you figure out whether it's worth it, go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.